Wake up, Rapunzel.
Huh?
I will do Rapunzel's makeup. Ta-da! First is drawing the eyebrows. Next is eyeliner. Apply eyeshadow. Create false eyelashes.
Wow!
Finally, apply makeup and lipstick.
Excellent!
Let's go to the party.
Wow, the bed is so beautiful. I also want a bed like you.
Aha!
Oh, wow! Excellent! Whoa! Lisa, I give you flowers.
The bed is so beautiful. I want it to be mine.
Complete the house frame with cardboard and colored paper.
Oh,
I hope you like it.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, get it right now, right now, get it right now,
Whoa! Lisa, fill the bathtub for me. Thank you, Lisa.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Excellent!
Wow!
is beautiful. I like it very much.
Please take off your shoes.
Thank you, Lisa. I'm very happy. Lisa, I give you flowers.
Thank you, Andrina.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Great! The house is completed.
The bed is so beautiful. I want it to be mine. Can you base me, Lisa?